Hey everyone, I am Taranjeet and I am building Embedchain. Embedchain is the simplest context retrieval framework. We are there on GitHub with 7,400 GitHub stars. We allow you to create AI apps very easily on top of any custom data. So today I have Dhanush with me. Dhanush is an 18-year-old self-taught developer, indie hacker, and a 5 times hackathon winner. He is currently studying computer science at Arizona State University, and today he'll be talking about a problem that he faced and like how he's using AI and embed chain to solve that. We'll invite Dhanush now. Hey
Uh,
Dhanush.
Thank you, Taranjeet, for having me here. So, I'll share my screen and then we'll get going. Uh, cool. So, is my yeah, cool. So, we are gonna be building something called ASU AI, which is basically an chat assistant like GPT, but customized for ASU that can help you with all your ASU related questions. So when I came to ASU, I really had I mean, not just like at ASU. Like when I was just researching for colleges, I had a really hard time finding information about the stuff that I needed. Like because college websites are really ugly and there's overwhelming amount of information. It's really hard for you to get what you want. So I thought I could just ask an AI to get the information that I want. And as a campus student, I was also very eager to learn about the professor whose class I'm gonna join. And I wish I had an AI that could help me with that. And also, as you know, ASU is number one in innovation. I always wanted to know what they're doing right now. So I wish I had a chatbot that I could ask to. So we will be doing exactly this right now with Embedchain. We are gonna be building something like this called ASU AI that's powered by Embedchain. And Embedchain is really interesting, and that's the reason I chose Embedchain to build this. I was researching about how do I build a chatbot, something like this. It's gonna be pretty complicated, and how do I do it? But when I came across Embedchain, it was really cool and it was really easy to get started. So that's enough talking. Now let's really code and build something like this. Um, so this is just a simple project. There's nothing much. I'm just creating a whole new file, naming it main.py, and then I'm gonna be installing Embedchain real quick. So it's pip3 install Embedchain, and that's done. It was that quick, cool. And so from Embedchain import app, that'll be my first line, and then we have from .env import load env and then load env, because I have my chat GPT key over here, and you gotta tell Embedchain that hey, use this chat GPT key to work, and that's why I'm giving this piece of line. And then after that I'm gonna import OS. I actually don't need that. Cool. That is the setup that you need. That's all you need. That's all the inputs you need. So now let's initialize the app. So now let's call it ASU app equals to Embedchain app. And this app comes from Embedchain. So you're just assigning this app from Embedchain to ASU app so that you can use all the methods of Embedchain. And now let's give it some context. So for this app to work, so for this AI to work, you need to give it some context, right? What information are you going to train it with? So for that, we have some domains here. Uh, this is the tuition domain for ASU, where you can find all the tuition fees structures and all that stuff. So let's add that as a context into Embedchain's app. So that is a very simple syntax. It's ASU app dot add and and this URL, and the data type of this is a sitemap, because it just gets all the endpoints of this domain, and this is a sitemap, right? So we're just giving the data type of this as a sitemap, and then that's the first context that I'm going to be giving it. and then it is what's the second one? Yeah, it's full circle. This is the faculty sitemap, and I'll be doing that. I'll just be adding it real quick. Yeah, single parentheses, sitemap, and good to go. What else? Yeah, I'll just be doing it for all the other URLs here real quick. So it's ASU app dot and external news. Cool. So that's all. That is all the context that I need to give it. That is it. And now we'll be creating a backend for this, or let's just not say a backend. Let's be creating a a simple command line app for this, because we can't create a full stack UI right now. Let's just create a small command line app to see the AI up and running. Let's create a while through loop, and let's just give a prompt. Ask me anything, and and once we type in what we want, we are just going to be printing. Okay, we'll just keep the response equal to asu app dot query prompt. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Like, that is literally it. This single piece of code, this line of code, that will give us the answer to your question. That is it. That is how easy Embedchain makes it for us. And I'm just gonna be printing response, and then I'm gonna be asking, do you want to continue? Because obviously we don't want an infinite loop. Do you want to be continue? Oh, yeah. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? And that's and yeah, I'll be setting this to yes initially. Cool, guys, that is pretty much it. That's all. And let's check if it's running. So what do I do? So let's run main python 3 main.py, and cool. It's just running, and yeah, there we have it. So it's saying ask anything. So let's ask it ASU stuff. So what is the tuition fees at ASU for residents? Cool. Now let's see if it gives us an output. Cool. Damn. Yeah, it gave us the output. The tuition fees at ASU for residents is 12 grand per year. That's great, guys. It's that easy to build an AI app with Embedchain. That's all it takes. Like 10 lines of code and you're good to go. So let's convert this to a full stack app right now with a front end. Since we don't have a lot of time, I already have that for you ready. It is right here. So this is it, and let's ask some question. I built the whole thing with Embedchain, even the front end with Embedchain, and the back end with Embedchain. So let's ask this question. So let's say give me some latest research and AI trends at ASU, because they always have something going on. Yeah, damn. So as you guys all know, OpenAI and ASU partnered together, which means OpenAI is the creator of ChatGPT. So them and ASU partnered together. So that's something really new at ASU, and the AI tells us that. And let's ask it about a professor. So give me some information about Robert Carter at ASU. Let's see if it gives us. Give me some information about Robert Carter at ASU. Cool. So So it's telling what the uh let's refresh this. You know what? Just two of them is enough.
No, let's try. Like, we'll cut this part, right? So you can just.
Yeah. Now let's ask about a professor and let's see if it's responding. Give me some information about uh, Dhanush Sinha. Cool. Let's see if it's working. Cool. That's great. So yeah, it tells me about the professor too, and that's pretty sick. So yeah, guys, that is about creating an AI with Embedchain. It's that simple. And now I'll have Taranjeet take over.
Uh, yeah, thank you, Dhanush. I think totally you did a good job in like explaining everything. I think people will love this video, and you are on a great path. I think we'll see more of your demos on Twitter. You are a Twitter celebrity. So yeah, thank you everyone for thank you everyone. We would have more videos coming out soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, guys. See you in the next one.
So.